Good day. I am Rigel Tolentino, and for this video presentation, I will enumerate the signs, symbols, and phrase structure rules that we learned from our main resource. Phrase structure rules show how words and phrases are organized to form grammatically correct sentences. These rules use different symbols to represent the components of a sentence. First, I will discuss the signs and symbols used in phrase structure rules. These are the arrow, the parentheses, the braces, slash, superscript n. The arrow with as goes to or consists of. The parentheses indicates that an element is optional. The braces indicate that there are possible different choices. The slash means or, and the superscript n means the element can occur one more times. Next, the abbreviations used in the phrase structure rules. S, which means sentence. SUBJ, which means subject. The PRED, which means predicate. NP, which means noun phrase. The VP, which means the verb phrase. The AP, which means adjective phrase. The PREP, prepositional phrase. AUX, auxiliary. The V is for verb. N for noun. Det, determiner. ADV for adverb. ADJ for adjective. ADVL for adverbial. Pro for pronoun. T for tense. The M for modal. Perf for perfect. And prog for progressive. Now, let's go to the phrase structure rules. Rule number 1. Sentence goes to subject plus predicate, meaning a sentence consists of a subject and a predicate. Rule number 2. Subject goes to noun phrase, meaning the subject is a noun phrase. Rule number 3. Noun phrase goes to optional determiner, optional adjective phrase, noun, optional plural, optional prepositional phrase or pronoun. Rule number 4. Adjective phrase goes to optional adverb, adjective, and optional prepositional phrase. Rule number 5. Prepositional phrase goes to prepositional plus noun phrase. Rule number 6. Predicate goes to auxiliary, verb phrase, and optional adverbials. Rule number 7. Auxiliary goes to tense, modal, perfect, progressive, or imperative. Rule number 8. Tense goes to present or past. Rule number 9. Perfect goes to have plus the N form of the verb. Rule number 10. Progressive goes to be plus ing. Rule 11. Verb phrase goes to verb with possible noun phrase, adjective phrase, or prepositional phrase. Rule number 12. NP prime goes to noun phrase, adjective phrase, or prepositional phrase. Rule 13. Adverbial goes to adverb clause, adverb phrase, or prepositional phrase. Rule 14. Adverb clause goes to adverb, subordinator, and sentence. Rule 15. Adverb phrase goes to optional adverbs and an adverb. That concludes my enumeration of the signs, symbols, and phrase structure rules. These rules help us understand how sentences are structured and how different parts of language work together. Thank you.